PLA was a microcosm of possibilities. It was a program designed to create an environment where students can develop their human potential.
I've seen a lot of people who've come through the PLA grow up and get into their adult careers and become leaders in their communities and in their workplaces.
The PLA has such a big focus on the importance of relationships, using our own strengths to, to serve and connect with others.
It humbles me, and I believe it humbles a lot of people out here because there's an understanding that as they invested in us, we invested in them. There are people and relationships that I have to this day, 25 years of people that are now connecting. They're making ways in life that they never would have made if they didn't have this experience.
It's so neat to see that not only has it continued to grow and thrive, I mean, there's just so many people that have been affected and had some of these wonderful opportunities that I've had.
And I would not be here today if it was not for the President's Leadership Academy.
One of the most important parts of the program is that it brings so many diverse people together from so many different backgrounds and lived experiences.
When you do get a chance to take a step back and think about the people that you've met, the relationships that you've built, you're definitely appreciative of that because it's a one-of-a-kind program for sure.
I've seen it evolve and grow, and I've seen its impact on our university.
PLA was the biggest impact in my life. There is no other experience like that anywhere.